Because what? Them done with Jayden and think them get where with what them do with Jayden. Listen, if you don't want them get where Jamaica, wanna stop blog. Yes, if you don't want them get where unite. Get rid of snakes. Get rid of scorpions out of Jayden's situation. Call out demons, call out serpents. Let them know, say, listen, we're not in the foolishness and we don't want support on them. As Jayden will say. You understand? That's the only way we're going to get justice. Only truth alone can get this baby justice. Lies cannot get him justice. Lies are going to only turn us back in a circus and get us back to where we're coming from. Because that's how we like do. Like cover up the truth. The truth always will win. Listen, wait name. I now gonna stop talk about Andreen. You understand? I can never stop talk about Andreen because this is the issue why Jayden is not here. So, Pablo, if you do not want me to talk about Andreen, please exit. No disrespect. But Andreen is an issue right here. Andreen has always been the issue. Andreen, the family himself was a nobody. And bring our son. So them look down upon our son. Because when them do this to Jayden, them said nobody ever gonna look for Jayden because Jayden is a nobody. You understand when people look down upon you? You understand when somebody look down upon you and think them better than you? You understand that issue? This is why Jayden is not here with us. Because when them do this, them thought they was going to come out and say Jayden run away like him crazy mother. Is this the impression them come out for get Jamaican people? You understand? If you not have a root, you can't have a beginning. So listen, the root at the start of everything. You understand? The root bring us to where we need to go. So these people look down on Jayden Smith. The family may talk about look down on Jayden Smith. So if you do not want to hear that, this is not the platform because you know what? The truth always has to be the winner. I'm not going to come out here and say them look on Jayden mother like the Queen of Sheba. Because anyhow, Jayden mother was a rich woman. We would out here ask for justice neither. The politician them would have make sure we get justice. Make we talk truth, man. Where you watch, Charlie? Some people forget quiet up now. But we talk truth, man. Because not for una like the lies. I mean now go you know the lies. Because he's not a liar. You understand? And the old Jayden Smith mother was a woman who have money. And her family had money. We would out here have asked for the justice. Jamaica would have turned upside it down. Let me explain this to you. You understand? You have a rich law in Jamaica and you have a poor law in Jamaica. This is a problem with Jamaica people. You understand? Wanna see truth and cover up truth. You understand? This is why we're in the limbo where we're in with politicians. This is the reason when you don't see politicians do wrong, you don't call them out, you don't vote them out, you don't sit down and support them, you don't always die at this, die at that. That's why Jamaica corrupt. I gotta come out for you, you know. I don't want people to be a hypocrite. All I don't want people to be a hypocrite and tell people what to say and what not to say. Listen, a tree not just come up just like that, you know. A a tree have a root. And the roots from what go on with Jayden situation. Why nobody, no police, nobody no look on Jayden situation is because Jayden come from a poor family and corruption caused this. Principal get himself involved in this. And the principal will get himself involved in this. Come out and tell the police and the people of Jamaica so Jayden run away. So Jayden is marked as a runaway child. Come on, man, we have to get to the root. Because no for Uno over here, now look for justice for Jayden. Uno look for a cover up. You understand? If a cut, do not have a cut, Uno put a band-aid over it and not dress it. You understand? A corruption, why Jayden not get justice. You understand? Who you know? You understand? These things are what happened to Jamaica. You understand? You see the brawl we are happening in Jamaica with the police and the civilian. On the things that does come from this. At the root where it come from, the corruption where in the police force. The corruption where in the police force. You understand? You have good police and you have bad police. Do Jamaica need police? Jamaica have to have police. Because the innocent people alone live in Jamaica. You have some old criminal live in Jamaica. Let's be honest now. Jamaica need police. Not for to act like someone can walk with no chain pound on neck. Or they can walk with all on a cell phone. But yet still, the police still have corruption because listen, police out there take bribe from make her leave it there some man. Make her leave it there some man. Make her leave it there some man. You say on a like corruption. On a love the corruption. On a love it. I don't know why Jayden don't get justice. And because you have somebody in the force and block everything. You have the principal when no one police and big man. And it's a black Jayden from get justice. And it make them send out all kind of serpent for Jayden to get justice. And because we don't want to continue on this road here, you understand? We don't want to tell people say don't say nothing about the mother. Yes, the mother play a major role in this. They call the mother junkie. They call the mother crackhead. So because them call her all these things, they look on her like a nobody. So they turn back round now and treat her son like a nobody. Look how long Jayden missing and Jayden live with family. In family, them turn them back on him. You understand? Him same family will to protect him. Do this to him and lie about doing it to him. Him own family in flesh and blood, no stranger. And them do this to Jayden. Because them know their mother don't have no money. And if them do this to Jayden, them can't get away. That is the whole motive. So them do it with the intention to get away. For hurt Jayden and get away because Jayden mother not have no money. Jayden mother and nobody. So the family do this to Jayden. That is why we out here so a fight for justice. Principal boy know exactly where him do. Why him lie and say the girl him not know the family. Ask yourself that. People make her come off fire. Because you see, on the same people we live with, you see, we same Jamaican brothers and sisters is always uno sell out with. And always you have somebody out here a fight for justice and do everything for end that justice. But yet still uno say on her mother and her father and do everything in our power for end that justice from happen for Jayden. Because all you're gonna say for leave all behind. When Jayden's situation situation start from something. You understand? It have a root. You understand? And the root is the mother. If you listen to Damar come out, Damar say the mother all drunk. The mother all this. The mother all, don't listen to Damar. Damar have nothing good to say about Jane and mother. Who don't think him here? I taught them where there. Who don't think him here? I taught them where there. In mama and in papa. So I saw make them deal with Jayden anyway. Honestly say, on think say them they love Jayden. Anyhow them they love Jayden. Hi Jada. Jayden would have been here with us. Only think say so somebody love somebody and treat them. So I saw you love somebody and treat somebody on the yard. Some of you can't even have step picnic. Eh? Eh? Some of you can't even be a stepmother to a rat nor a damn dog. Some of you can never be a stepmother because you don't have no love for nobody. Only thing say, one thing say why Jayden gone missing. Me ask you. One thing say make Jayden gone missing. Only thing say I love make Jayden gone missing. Eh? And that's only thing. But me telling you something. Me telling you something. It's a Jayden situation, yeah. The principal him at the blockage to why Jayden don't get justice. If Jayden should have been get justice, but you see that one interview that we him do, that is why it come back to telling the damn truth. You see that one interview we him do, him come out and spill pure lies. And you see, because him have the bigger heads in him hand, that one lie when go and tell. That is the blockage to Jayden getting justice. Use on a common sense. Anyhow, that principal had come out and said, a child from Manchester High School has gone missing. I'm asking the public, the police, and everybody to help us find Jayden Smith. It would have been turned differently. Bet or no. You want to come to me and come talk to me. Talk to me with the truth. Anyhow, that principal had come out and just speak the damn truth, Jayden would have gotten justice because the right people would have picked up this. But because that principal came out and tell that one lie, it damaged everything. Wanna see what lie do? So I see when una come to me about foolishness, don't come to me with foolishness. Go on different platform with damn foolishness. Don't come over here. Take one yourself. Anyhow, that principal had come out and speak the truth, Jayden would have gotten justice. But that principal come out here and mislead the whole investigation with that one lie. Don't come for me. The truth always win. So you see when bypass be bygones, listen, the only thing we have to start from here and to get to justice is the damn truth. No more going around this thing here. The only way we're going to get justice from tonight, the 1st of June, is coming out and talk the damn truth. Platform for talk truth. People who are organized things for Jayden to come out and talk truth and watch our truth win. It's simple. It's simple. It's no other way. Any other way, it's not this platform. It's not this one. Wanna go somewhere else. Wanna go somewhere else. Wanna go somewhere else. Please. Wanna go somewhere else. Because if we want justice, there have to be platforms where I come out and do the right thing by Jayden. If you not talk truth and you not do the right thing, you should not go for Jayden. And because we say that, somebody gonna say, no, you have to make bygone. No. That means say you still want life to tell. And this is what make Jayden will get justice. Because that same principle come out and lie to the public. Lie. Any other principle, I did it the right way. With the truth. I said, listen, Jayden Smith is a brilliant student. And he has been missing 2 days. Nobody knows where Jayden is. I'm asking the police. I'm asking everybody to let us find this brilliant mind and bring him back home. Under see justice served. Me I tell you. What he did. Where the principal go do. The bag of lie. A crocus bag of lie. Because what? Anytime a person do anything, what the first thing them draw for? Lies. Them a try to hide the truth. So what them a go do? You think them a go talk truth? Them a go for the lies, for cover up themselves so them can escape. Why you have to have detective? Why you have to have all these stuff? Because people always a go tell the lie. Because when them do wrongs, what them a go do? Them a go lie. And that the principal do. And Jayden mother is poor. And them know if them do these things, Jayden mother don't have nobody to fight for her. We is the fighter out here. And you see when me telling you something, it's if you continue mixing oil with water, this is one I'm going to end up. No damn way. Simple. If you don't continue upon this party, I want to depend. You're going to end up nowhere. Because you see what going to happen? Is it because you don't embrace lies? Is it because you don't embrace lies? Because someone don't love money and licky? This a cause the problem to it now. Licky. And likes. Somebody have to just come out here and show on her purse. No matter what lie them tell, all I want to run like puppy dog behind them. Listen, I'm coming half a year. Listen, I have to go to work tomorrow. I'm done. Because it's one thing with me. I will never have no friends. Because you see me? I'm a woman when I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. It's whatever it takes to help another person. I am going to be honest about it and do the right by them. You understand? That's why nobody now going to like me. Because me now going to be like the hypocrite them and the licky one them. Somebody have to show them $2. Everybody forget about justice for Jayden. Everybody run with the lies. Listen, guys, we're gonna have a blessed night. We're gonna have a blessed night. Trust and believe. Thank you. All of you will come over. Yahuwah, Cara, Angel, YouTube. Guys, we're gonna have a blessed night. Justice for Jayden. Guys, it's because, you see me? I want it with me. So when we read the Bible there, let me tell you something. You see when not talk to the Most High. You see when you know the Most High is one thing. On the don't do. You see, you don't wrong a person. You see, if you borrow $1 from a person, to you can't wrong somebody, you're not going to know, say you borrow $1 from the person and you don't pay back. You see, a wicked person borrow and don't pay back. You know, pay them back. You do everything not to pay them back. Them things they're wrong. You understand? And it starts from there, sir. So you see, when you talk to the Most High, you can't go around and wrong people. And expect the Most High to fight for you. You understand? You can't go around and wrong people.